Hello, this is a brief video of our Marvel Universe database. Now, we did not implement the user authentication feature that was a failure on our part, but we have successfully integrated the PHP coding with the MySQL database as shown here. So we do have an aggregate for the number of movies not suitable for children. So it goes based off of the rating that is in the database shown here under movies. So once you click that aggregate button, it does pull the information from that database and displays it for the user. Same thing with the number of heroes on each team. Now in this case, there's the Avengers team, which has a number of members and other characters that were not associated with teams at the time. Now, as far as updating, reading, and deleting information, we can demonstrate this with the powers table. For instance, say we want to include a ability that a character has. In this case, one that is biological, so by birth or genetic, not with the use of technology. And that power is, for instance, super strength. So we shall add that as an option. There we go. Now, how did they acquire the super strength? We'll say that this occurred by some form of radiation, whether it's gamma radiation or cosmic rays. And once you submit that, it updates the database accordingly with that information as shown here. Now, say for instance, I may have been testing out a few other entries, like for instance, biological flight, and I want to remove that. So underneath there is a field in which you can enter the power ID in which you'd like to delete. So in this case, the entry I want to delete is number 20. So we'll go ahead and delete that. And there it is. It has been removed from that database. Additionally, if I decide that this super speed was more of a accident than voluntary experiment, I can also update it as well too. So down here, we'll enter the power ID, which is 26. Now, in this case, it was a biological enhancement, and of course, super speed is what it was. And in this case, I say it was more of a accident, and then we'll go ahead and update that, and it has been updated. In this case, it does not appear to be printed on the table. That's fine. Now, also, we can enter movie ratings for movies that are in that database. So in this case, say I decide that the violence in the Avengers movie was too strong, I can go ahead and submit that here as well too.